welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you for everyone that still supports me, although I've been absent from YouTube. I come and I go, I come and I go, and you guys still will me in. It feels good to be behind the lights and the camera again and just filming. You guys have no idea how much it motivates me when I feel wanted and you guys want me to come back and film looks. I so appreciate that. I took your advice and I got merch, okay? You see it? Hold on, let me put the palette down. I have merch for sale. I think it is so cute. It's definitely cozy. I've been into wearing hoodies. They're so comfortable. I put my husband hoodies on and they're so comfortable. You can still be stylish and fashionably late. So yes, you guys know my phrase, stay flawless boo, but I just wanted to keep it stay flawless. And I just love it. I love it. The first color I wanted to wear, of course, was the red for Valentine's Day. So, and I think it goes perfect with my lipstick, red bottoms from the SOO'AE collection. Today I wanted to come and do a makeup look for you guys using the Morphe Artistry Palette. I have not touched this palette since I've had it. I just love how bright and vivid the palette is. Okay, something very different from Morphe. You guys know I love Morphe anyway. I have the 35O palette that I take with me on every gig, every job. If you guys are interested in purchasing lipstick, of course I'm going to have those links down below, as well as the links and the information to purchase the Flawless hoodie. If you're into t-shirts, I also have Flawless tees for sale. So, alright, so let's get into the makeup tutorial. Bye. Stay flawless, boo. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I know I look crazy, but that's because my makeup is halfway done. I've already done my foundation, my highlighting, contouring, and right now the yellow powder that you see is actually setting powder that I typically do when I'm baking to set that concealer so it doesn't crease or budge or move. It's going to stay put. It's so I can be snatched. I actually don't even know what look I'm finna do right now, but we gonna wing it. Here's the Artistry palette compared to the 35M palette. If you have the 35O palette, then getting the Artistry palette, you can see, will just complete your set. It's not like a palette that you're getting in vain. It's definitely a palette that will boost your collection. With the Artistry palette, they now have this clear insert that comes on the palette that has the names for each color. So if you're one that like to see the names for each color, they also have that. But you'll have to keep up with the clear insert. I'm gonna go in with this first color here. Let me get the sheets. Play It Cool. So I'm gonna go in with Play It Cool right here, which is this nice tan neutral color. And this is what I'm going to use to just set my entire lid with, so that I can go ahead and make sure that that concealer does not budge on my eye. Okay, so I almost forgot to tell you guys. So the next color I'm going to put in my crease is this color over here to the side. And this one is also called, actually called Peachy King. Yes, so this one is called Peachy King. And I've already like kind of swatched it in my crease to see if this is where I want it to go. The direction, and it looks great in the crease. So these are like just neutral colors. Doesn't have too much of a red base underneath it. Just real nice. Like if you want a clean neutral eye, these are perfect transition colors for like brown skin tones. And I'm going to take this orange shade over here. So this orange, maybe that's, yeah, I'm going in with this color here. Hopefully it's not too bright. So that one is called Fired Up, because I love a warm transition in the crease. So this color here at the bottom, Skindinavia finishing spray, or you can use water, whatever setting spray you have. You can use anything just to mist it so that the color applies vibrant to your eyes. I don't like how that applied at all. I switched over to like a flat concealer brush because that other brush, I don't know. It wasn't. Okay, this is a little bit better. Alright, for eyeliner, we're going to go ahead and use a pencil. This is Lower and Berry Kohl pencil, and I'm just going to line the lash line, and then we're going to go back and smudge it. I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face with my MAC translucent setting powder. Now don't be afraid, yes it is a white powder, but it is a very fine and silky powder. So I'm just going to dip my brush in it a little bit, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to use the cap to distribute it all throughout the brush. I'm just setting my entire face with the powder. Now it's going to look white and cast at first, but once we apply our setting spray and everything is going to melt all together. This is the powder I love to use like when I'm doing makeup for clients, because I don't have to guess what color powder to use. This works for all skin complexions. Okay, it is a translucent powder. It's very fine, so it doesn't make the skin appear cakey or anything like that. You can see it already starts to blend in with the skin, and we haven't even did our setting spray yet. So I want to go ahead and bronze the skin using my medium to dark contour palette from Black Radiance. I love this palette. You can see, look, hit pan. I'm just going to apply that around the perimeter of the face just to further enhance the contour. I have the OFRA highlighter. This is the Blind the Haters highlighter, okay? So I'm going to apply that with one of these small, like little tapered brushes. I love their packaging, but it gets so dirty. You probably can't, it looks clean on camera, but it gets so dirty. But this is like the perfect, just, whew. See that? Just need a little bit. All you need is a little bit. That is something serious. Just blend it. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, so before we go ahead and apply our mascara to our bottom lashes and lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Revitalizing Rose Mist. I told you I use this to prep my skin, and also I use it as a setting spray. So you can just go ahead and let that sit, so you can see it's going to get rid of that white cast we had going on, and try not to touch it while it's drying. Best advice I can give you. Alright, so for my lipstick, I'm going to apply Red Bottoms by the Stacey Collection. You guys have to try it out.